Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you poem Spring by Carla Cuskin. Before I start this poem, let's know about the poetess. Carla Cuskin was an author, poet, illustrator and a reviewer of children's books. Cuskin was known for her poetic musical style. Cuskin illustrated nearly half of the books she wrote. Students, as you know, spring season come after winter season, and spring is always regarded as the best season among all because during this season entire nature in its full bloom, and you can see the flowers all over in the garden, beautiful butterflies can be seen, birds can be seen is chirping. In this poem, the poetess imagines herself as little girl and expresses her joy about the arrival of the season spring after the winter. I am shouting, I am singing, I am swinging through trees, I am winging sky high with the buzzing black bees. Student, the speaker in the poem, as I've told you, is a child and enjoying the onset of spring by identifying with it and spreading its joy after the chill of the winter. And she is singing and shouting while swinging sky high on the branches of trees while the bees are buzzing around their hives. Winging means student flying, and as I've told you that she is saying that she's singing and shouting while swinging sky high on the branches of trees while the bees are buzzing around their hives. I am the sun, I am the moon, I am the dew on the rose. I am a rabbit whose habit is twitching his nose. The speaker is so happy that she is saying and she is expressing her joy, that her joy is so great that she identifies herself with the sun and the moon and even the early morning dew on the plants, and the rabbit whose habit is twitching his nose means the rabbit that sniffs the scent of spring in the air, and that she is so happy that she is dancing and singing. I am lively, I am lovely, I am kicking my heels, I am kicking my heels, I am crying, come dance to the freshwater ales. Kicking my heels means doing things that I enjoy, and freshwater ales type of thin long fish that appear in freshwater sources like spring, streams and rivers. The speaker is so overjoyed with the arrival of spring that she is saying that I am feeling so lively and lovely because she can do what she enjoys. Now speaker is saying that in spring season she can do what she wants. That's why she is so happy, and that's why she is dancing and inviting freshwater eels to dance with her. But as we know, the freshwater eels cannot dance, and no, knowing they can never do so. I am racing through meadows without any coat. I am gambling lamb. I am light leaping goat. I am a bird. I am a bloom. I am a dove on the wing. I am running on the rooftops and welcoming spring. Gambling means a student running or jumping about playfully. And a dove on the wing means a dove that is flying. Now she is saying that and then she is running through the meadows means she can run, she can race through the meadows. Meadows without a coat means it means that she don't like to wear cloth and in winter wear coat, and in winter season she have to wear she has to wear coat, and that's why she don't like the winter season, and that's why she's so happy that spring season has came, and she's enjoying that the and she's celebrating the end of the winter season. And she is saying that she like a lamb, like a goat, imagining that she is flying like a dove. Means she is saying that she is running through the meadows without a coat like a lamb and like a goat. Imagining that she is flying like a dove and running on rooftops, that she is bird that she is a bird, a flower welcoming spring, and she's celebrating the end of the winter and welcoming the spring season. Now the explanation of this poem is over, student. I hope you all have understood.